Stoskit ja Pori Länsipuisto. Heitin Pori staircase D1971, it's 25910.
Länsipuisto 18A Porissa. Valmistettu 1971, sarjan numero H25910. 4 henkilöä tai 320 kiloa.
Four people, so 320 kilograms.
Mulla toi Kone tarkistaa kiva inspekta.
Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kone, or inspected by Suomen Hissit-tarkastus in 1998. Next inspection in 2000. Yeah, it's
2020.
yeah, it's 2000 if it's 1998, but it's not. They should put the label there, but they are lazy nowadays. That's